And now, coming to you by way of some high-tech, fancy pants media streaming technology, recorded live and direct from the decentralized studios of YashaHurari.com. It's Blockchain Marketing Insights with your host, Yasha Hurari.
Oh, hey there, everybody. It's bear hunting season. Well, okay, maybe it's not bear hunting season quite yet, but I actually believe this is a very optimistic time to be a bull, or to believe firmly that the steady rise of crypto shall come again. And when that shall happen, I don't know. But I do know one thing. When markets dip this deep, they tend to come back again, and they tend to beat their all-time highs from before, at least when they're growing markets. And despite the market cap of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, it's very evident that there's just too much development and interest going on in this market that it's just going to disappear. That's why I've got the little bull back there. Back there. By the way, props to Jonathan Firmer, the artist who created that amazing maze of a bull. Anyway, you can see, I think, well, I'll put the link to his website where you can see more of those online in the comments below. And by the way, this is not financial advice. This is just entertainment. If you find it useful, good for you, but that's just a byproduct of the fact that I make this for fun for myself. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not selling you anything. I'm not giving you financial advice. Okay, now that that's out of the... Oh yeah, and be responsible for your own investments. Do your own research. Don't be an idiot. Okay, now that that's out of the way, quick update about the blockchain and marketing. There is a growing number of evidence that I see in marketing that search terms related to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are on the rise, not just by sellers anymore, but we're seeing a steady increase in terms related to buying Bitcoin and buying Ether and buying XRP and buying EOS and buying, well, pretty much every term we look at that we see more interest in the altcoins and in Bitcoin. More importantly, we actually see a steady increase in the number of searches for developer jobs and for investment opportunities in altcoins and in Bitcoin. So there are people who are increasingly looking to work on the blockchain, which is interesting because there is a massive amount of jobs that are still listed despite all the financial troubles that a lot of companies have had recently, with the lowering of their market cap or whatever. Look, when ETC Dev announced that Ethereum Classic, was basically losing its main development team, all those developers got to go get jobs somewhere else now, right? They're not just going to sit around and do nothing. So there's currently a flood of talent on the market, and we are getting pounded with requests for talent, and we are placing our talented blockchain specialists left and right around the world. So if you are a blockchain specialist or expert in any particular area, whether it's programming, development, design, QA, DevOps, whatever you're working on, back-end stuff, systems integration, architecture, doesn't matter. Drop us a line. Let us know if you're floating around looking for a job, and we will do our part as community members to make proper introductions and referrals to relevant positions that we are aware of, and they are numerous. So as of the date of this video, which is the 12th of December 2018, if you are looking for a job on the blockchain or in cryptocurrency of any kind, especially if you're a developer or if you're in the business side, drop us a line. Okay, so that's going to do it because I'm going to keep it short, like I said. And I just want to tell everybody, I know the market's down, blah, blah. I think this is just, really par for the course, people. And you got to get used to it. This is blockchain, after all. If you're not used to Bitcoin going up and down like crazy, then maybe you're a bit too early to this market. If you can't handle it, if you can't stomach it, or maybe you have to learn something about investing in speculative markets before you jump in. It is very speculative. Absolutely, don't put all your eggs in one basket, in any basket. And definitely, I think keep an eye on markets in general. It's a good thing to do if you're into any kind of, finance or economics or even just economic history. I think it's interesting time to be looking at the markets, especially crypto, and how they are moving along, and compare that to the traditional markets and see what's going on with that relationship. Okay, have a good day. I hope you all are having a wonderful time. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for sharing all that stuff. And until next time, take care.